Okay, subtracting mixed numbers. We want to subtract these two mixed numbers. First thing we settle is the issue of the fractions being different denominators. So let's go to the multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. So for 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. For 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. All right, the least common multiple between them would be the 15. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is times 5 times 5. Here, 1, 2, 3. So this is times 3 times 3. Okay, so we're going to multiply those. 1 times 5 and 3 times 5, which is 5 and 15. And here we got 4 times 3 and 5 times 3, which is 12 and 15. Okay. Now, subtracting the fractions. Now that we have the same denominators, I notice that I cannot subtract 12 15s from 5 15s because it's not enough here. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 5. Borrowing 1 from the 5 makes it 4 plus is the 1 that I borrowed. 5 15s. Okay. Now I'm going to combine these right here. This is a mixed number. I'm going to combine this for a proper fraction by multiplying and adding. So I'm going to say 15 times 1 plus 5. 15 times 1 is 15, plus 5 more makes 20. So this will be 20 over 15. Okay. All right, now let's bring down the 4. Minus 4 and 12 15s. All right, now we're going to subtract these fractions. So 20 15s minus 12 15s will give us 8 15s. Okay, and then we'll subtract the whole numbers. 4 minus 4 gives us 0. So 8 15s. Okay, next. Again, we can't subtract with fractions that have this different denominators. So let's go through the 3-time tables and the 4-time tables. So 3-time tables 3, 6, 9, and 12. 4-time tables would be 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, the least common would be 12. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, now let's bring all these down. 2 times 4 and 3 times 4 gives us 8 and 12. 3 times 3 and 4 times 3 gives us 9 and 12. All right, now that our fractions have the same denominators, you notice that we cannot subtract 9 12s from 8 12s. It's too small, so we're going to have to borrow. Borrow 1 from the 4, we get a 3 plus 1, 8 12s, minus 2, and 9 12s. I'm going to combine these right here to make this an improper fraction. So we're going to multiply here and add there. 12 times 1 is 12, plus 8 more makes 20. So we have 20 over 12. Now we bring down the other numbers. 3 minus 2 and 9 12ths. Okay. Now I can subtract my fractions. 20 12ths minus 9 12ths will leave 11 12ths. And the whole numbers, 3 take away 2 will leave 1. All right, we're subtracting mixed numbers again. We notice that our denominators on our fractions are not the same, so I'm going to go through the timetables of both of these. So let's go timetables for 6 will be 6, 12, and 18. The timetables for the 3 will be 3, 6, and 9. And we do have a common. The least common multiple between these two would be 6. So this is 1, so we'll multiply times 1 here. And this is 1, 2. We're going to multiply by 2. As a result, we're going to get 3. 1 times 1, 6 times 1, which is 1 over 6, minus 2. 2 times 2 and 3 times 2 is 4 and 6. Now that our fractions are the same denominators, which we attempt to subtract, but we cannot subtract 4 6 from 1 6. We're going to have to borrow. If I borrow 1 from 3, it becomes a 2, and the 1 that we borrow goes next to the 1 6. We're going to turn this 1 6 right here into an improper fraction. So we're going to multiply 6 times 1 and then add 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more gives us 7. That's over 6. Okay, now we'll bring all the other terms down. 2 minus 2, 4, 6. And now let's subtract 7, 6, and 4, 6. That's going to give us 3, 6. And then 2 minus 2 gives us 0. Now, 3, 6 can be simplified more. We're going to divide these both by 3. And we end up with 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2.